Today I am going to discuss about question number 8, exercise 1.3 equal to. Consider f is to capital R input plus goes to close interval 4 comma infinite open interval given by fx equal to x square plus 4 comma, so that f is invertible with the given f inverse y equal to under root y minus 4 comma, where capital R input plus is the set of all non-negative real numbers. Now come out to solution. Solution equal to, here I shall write given that f is to capital R input plus goes to close interval 4 comma infinite open interval defined as fx equal to x square plus 4. This is the function. F is a function from set of positive real number goes to close interval 4 comma infinite open interval defined as fx equal to x square plus 4. In this question, here you can see f is a function. This one is domain. This one is domain here. And this one here is range. Why range? Because I shall let this function is an invertible function. That's why close interval 4 comma infinite open interval will be the range. Or here capital R input plus will be domain here. So here I shall write let f is to capital R input plus goes to close interval 4 comma 8 open interval is an invertible function. Here I have let let f is a function from set of positive real number to close interval 4 comma infinite open interval is an invertible function. Since this is invertible function, so what we'll do? Therefore, here you write therefore f is 1 1 and onto function. F is 1 1 and onto function. So here it says we have to show that f is invertible function. Here I have let f is invertible function. So here I am going to show f is invertible function. Here I have let f is invertible function. So here I have let f is invertible function. So f is 1 1 and onto function. So here I shall prove how this function is 1 1 function. So here I shall write for 1 1 r11 equal to let x1 comma f2 belong to domain. Here you can say this is domain, a set of positive real number, domain. Here you can write domain. Here I shall let x1 comma f2 belong to capital R input plus in bracket domain. This is domain, this is range in case of invertible. If this function is not invertible, this will be known as domain, this will be known as codomain. So what will happen? Here I have let x1 comma f2 belong to capital R input plus domain. Then if x1 equal to f2, imply that x1 equal to f2. Here we will write for all x1 comma f2 belong to capital R input plus. Here we will write like this. So this is the statement you have to write in order to prove this function as one only. So what we will do here? Now I shall discuss if x1 equal to f2. What we will do here? Imply that here you can see fx equal to x square plus 4. So here you will write in place of x, put here x1. So here we will put x1 का whole square plus 4 equal to f2 का whole square plus 4. You put here like this. So what we will do here? This one will be crossed out. Here we will get x1 का square minus f2 का square equal to 0. x1 का square minus f2 का square equal to 0. So here we will get in one bracket x1 minus f2, in another bracket it will comes out to x1 plus f2 equal to 0. Now come out to here x1 minus f2 equal to 0, imply that x1 equal to f2. A square minus b square. A square minus b square, that will become a minus b, a plus b. x1 minus f2 equal to 0 over this one comes out to 0. Here you will get x1 equal to f. So here you will write hence f is 1 1 function. Here I have determined f is 1 1 function. Now what to do next? Here I have got f is 1 1, for 1 it is over. Now come out here for onto. Function. For onto function, what to do here? For onto function, here you will write let small y belong to range. Range here you can see, this is range. So here you will write 4, infinite, open interval. Let y belong to close interval 4, infinite, open interval. Then there exists, if this statement is there, let y belong to close interval 4 comma infinite open interval. If this statement is there, then there exists x belong to domain. X belong to domain. X belong to domain such that fx is equal to y. This is the statement you have to write in order to prove this function as onto function. Let y belong to close interval 4 comma infinite open interval. Then there exists x belong to set of positive real number, that is domain, such that fx is equal to y. In all cases, you will write like this in order to prove this function as undo. Here y belong to range, this is range. Here you can see x belong to domain, capital R input plus is in domain. So like this you will write in order to prove this function as undo function. So what we will do here? Next we will write, here you have got fx is equal to y. Here you have got fx is equal to y. So what we will do? This become fx is equal to y. Now put the value fx. The value of fx will be taken from this place. So here I can write fx is equal to x square plus 4. So in place of fx I can write x square plus 4 equal to y. So what to do? Here I shall write imply that x square equal to y minus 4. Here I shall write x equal to plus minus under root y minus 4. So once I shall take value of x negative, so if I take here x equal to minus 1 in bracket y minus 4 here, y minus 4, so here I shall write, here you can see x belong to, from this place, x belong to set of positive real number. So x can't be belong to this value you can see here. This value x is equal to minus 1 in bracket under root y minus 4 can't be belong to capital R input plus. Here you can see x is equal to minus 1 under root y minus 4 not belong to set of positive real number, because here you have got value of x as negative. The negative value of x will not belong to set of positive real number. This means that it will omitted. छोड़ दिया जाएगा. Now we will take only positive value. So I shall get here x equal to positive value under root y minus 4. This value I have got x equal to this one value I have got. So what to do in order to prove this function as onto function? Again I shall write here fx equal to x square plus 4. So here I have got value of x. The value of x I shall put here. So I am going to put value of x here. So let us see. Here I shall write fx equal to Here value of x will be put here. If you put here value of x under root y minus 4 का whole square plus 4, you will get fx equal to here you can see under root y minus 4 का whole square plus 4. You will get here y minus 4 plus 4. This one will be cracked out. You will get here fx equal to y. So I shall write y equal to fx. Hence, f is onto function. So here I have proved f is onto function. Here I have written again fx equal to x square plus 4. fx equal to I shall take here. I put the value of x equal to this one in this equation. So you will get fx equal to in bracket under root y minus 4 का whole square plus 4. So here you will get fx equal to this. This will become under root y minus 4 का whole square. You will get here y minus 4 plus 4. So this minus 4 plus 4 will be cancelled out. You will get here fx equal to y equal to fx. On this basis, f will be onto function. So here I have got f is one function and f is onto function. So here we shall write, since f is 1 f is 1 and onto function. F is 1 and onto function. It has been proved. Hence, f inverse exists. This thing you have to write, f inverse exists. Now f inverse exists. Now I shall let here, let g is to from here f inverse equal to g. G is to this range will take the place of domain, and this domain will be shifted to the place at range. Now domain and range both will be mutually interchanged. Here you will write f inverse equal to g. So here I shall write close interval for infinite open interval goes to capital R input plus. This thing you have to write. Here I have written let g equal to, let g is to close interval 4 comma infinite open interval goes to set a positive real number. Here you can write f inverse equal to g. This is the formula. You must know f inverse need. Where gy equal to this one will be under root y minus 4. So where gy equal to under root y minus 4 comes out. So what to do here? Now you have got f is to set a positive real number goes to close interval 4 comma infinite open interval, and here I have got g is to close interval 4 comma infinite open interval goes to set a positive real number. So now we will find here g is there. Here first letter is g here. So here write g. Here since first letter here is g is there. So here write g. After write GOF. Here you can see in GOF last letter is f. So just here suffix x. So this will become G O F X. So what to do here? I shall write G as this small o will be converted into half circle bracket. So here in place of O I shall write this one. Here write fx bracket close bracket. Now what to do here? Now here you will get G, put here G, fx. Value of fx you can get here. Here fx is equal to x square plus 4. So put the value G in place of fx I shall put this one. So here you will write x square plus 4. I have write this one. So what to do here? Next you will get here. I have got G in bracket x square plus 4 bracket close. Now see again what happens. Gy. Now you can see here I have written Gy. Gy equal to this one here. Gy equal to, so here G is there, here G is there. In place of y you should write this one. So what happened this one? This will come. So here you will write under root, in place of y you will put this one. So here write x square plus 4. In place of y I am going to write x square plus 4. Here minus 4 is there. So put here minus 4. So this will become plus 4 minus 4, that will be cancelled out. Or here you will get under root x square equal to x. So here you have got GOF in bracket x. G of fx equal to x you have got. Now I shall put FOG. Now try for FOG. F of G. Here you can see in f of G, last letter is G. The G will take value y. G will take value y. Here a formula is there. F is related to x and y related to G, and G related to y. G related to y. This is the formula you must know. F related to x, G related to y. So this is the formula you must know. F related to x, G related to y. So here I have written f of G. In f of G, last letter is G. So G will take value y. So I have written here y. So what will do? Here write f. In place of O, I shall make half circle bracket. Here Gy, put here Gy. In bracket put here Gy. So what will do? F. Now here I have written F I have written. Here you can see Gy there. So in place of Gy, you can write here. Here you can see Gy is this one. This value, Gy equal to this value, I shall put here. Gy equal to, Gy here I have written Gy. Gy equal to this one. The f under root y minus 4 I shall put. So what to do here? You have got fx. F in bracket x. So x equal to this one. X equal to this one. I have got here. Now what to do here? Here you can see fx. Value of fx here. So in place of x, we will write this value. So what will happen? Here it will become under root y minus 4 का whole square. X is equal to under root y minus 4. So in place of x, I have written under root y minus 4 का whole square. O plus 4 is there. So what will get here? This will become y minus 4 plus 4. I have. So this one minus 4 plus 4 will be cancelled out. So here we will get f of g in bracket x. Here I shall get f of g in bracket x equal to y. Y I have got. Once again repeat this one. This is f of g y. Y. You will get here only y. So here you have got g o f x equal to x, f of g y equal to y. So now here I can write g o f x equal to x. So this will become g o f equal to identity function on, here you can see I have written g of f x equal to x. So now gf will be, here you can see x is there. The x belong to which set? X belong to domain here. Capital R input plus. So here we will write capital I input, capital R input plus. So this is known as identity function on set of positive real number. So here I have got g of f equal to identity function g of f equal to identity function on set of positive real number. Now again I shall write f of g equal to y. So here what will do here? F of g in bracket y equal to y. So what will do here? This will become, imply that f of g, here you can see y is there, f of g y equal to y. So now f of g equal to this y belong to here range. So here I shall write f of g equal to identity function input range, that is 4 comma infinite open interval. I have written. So here I have got g of f equal to identity function on set of positive real numbers. Here I have got f of g equal to identity function on close interval 4 comma infinite open interval. This one range. F of g equal to identity function on range. This one. G of f equal to identity function on domain. This one. So hence you can see f is invertible. F is invertible. F is invertible. Here we can f invertible. Right here f inverse. F inverse y. F inverse y equal to gy. Equal to gy equal to put value this one under root y minus 4. This will be the correct answer. So here I have f is invertible. F is invertible. F inverse y. F inverse y. F inverse y equal to f inverse equal to g. F inverse equal to g. This is the formula. F inverse equal to g. This is the formula. So I have written f inverse y. So gy equal to under root y minus 4. That will be the correct answer. Here you have to show this one. Given by, here you can see f inverse y equal to gy equal to under root y minus 4 under root y minus 4. This you have to show.